Hello friends, we'll be discussing one example from the paper 1 and this is related to the number system. The question is they have given one binary number and they asked what is the equivalent in hexadecimal number. So before that we must understand what is the binary number system and what is the hexadecimal number system. So they both are positional number system. What is meant by positional number system? The value of this any digit in occurred in number will be based on the what is the position of that particular number. Okay, and there are two number system, binary number system and hexadecimal number system. So in binary number system the base will be 2. So in binary number system there will be base will be 2 and hexadecimal number system the base will be 16, which is equals to 2 raised to 4, and there are values allowed. So the basically digits or symbols which is allowed, there are only two symbols allowed, which is 0 to 1. Okay, and the maximum value will be less than this number only, so 1. In hexadecimal number system there are 9 digits and A to F. So basically the total values allowed is 0 to 15. Okay, the A represents for 10 decimal value, B for 11, and so on. F will be for 15. Okay, so if you look at here carefully, the 4 binary digits will give you one hexadecimal number. To make it more clear, let's say we have defined one number 1 1 1 and 1. So these are the 4 binary numbers. Okay, and what is the value of this number? The value of this number will be calculated as this position will be 0 position, then 1 position, 2 position, and 3rd position. Okay, and equivalent number will be calculated based on this 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 1 into, so this is my 1 only, so 1 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. Okay, if it is 0 then it will be simply 0 into 2. If it is this will be 0, then this value will be my 0 into 2 raised to 2. Okay, so what is the equivalent number? This will be 8, this will be 0, this will be 1, and this will be again 0. So this value equivalent in decimal will be 9. Okay, and 9 is already part of this hexadecimal number, so you can simply write this as a hexadecimal number. Okay, instead of this, let's say this number will be my 1, so this will be value become 4, and now this will be 8 plus 4 will be 12 and 1 will be 30. Okay, so in hexadecimal this is decimal value. If it is hexadecimal we can convert 13 as a hexadecimal as A is my 10, B is my 11, C is my 12, and D is my 30. Okay, so we'll be using this kind of combinations, okay, to convert this number. So this is my decimal, so it will be 10. This number is in binary format, so the base will be 2, and this number 13 which will be converted as a D, so this will be in 16. So this is basic understanding about the decimal part and hexadecimal part. Now they have given this number and we need to convert that number into hexadecimal, and as we know these 4 binary digits will be giving us one hexadecimal number, so we'll be using that one only. So the given number will be this 1 1 1 1 1, then there is 0 and 3 times 1 again, 0 1 1 1 dot. So this is a fraction point, then 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1, and again 0 1. So in our decimal system, this right hand side part from the decimal system will be, let's say, 2 raised to minus 10 something. So 10 raised to minus 1, this will be 10 raised to minus 2 and so on. So similarly here also we'll be using a similar kind of part, but with the help of 2 raised to minus 1. So main methodology will be, if I want to convert this number into hexadecimal part, I need group of four digits. So we will starting from this decimal point, right to left, and here left to right. Okay, so this will be my first 4 digits, then this will be my second 4 digit. After this there is a no 4 digit combination. So what we will do, we will add 3 zeros and make it 4 digit number. Here also these are my 4 digits. So from here to here and from here to here. So this will be 4 digit. Now there are only 2 digits. We need more 2 zeros to make it 4 digit. So this is, now we have the values in four digits. We will convert them into decimals and we will find equivalent from the hexadecimal. Okay. So what is the value for this? So this will be 0, 2 raised to 0, 0, then 2 raised to 2, this will be 4, then 1, then this will be a 2 raised to 0 will be 1, then this 2 raised to 2 will be 4, and this will be 8. So this will be equivalent to 13, then this will be 1 1 1, this will be 7, this will be all together, so this will be my 15, and this will be 1 only as it is. So as we know, these are in decimal formats, this is in binary, and we know what is the decimal to binary hexadecimal. So the 4 will be as it is. So 13 will be my, A will be 10, B will be 11, C will be my 12, D will be my 13. So this will be D, then point will be as it is, next part will be 7 as it is, F will be my as it is, because 15 will be my F, right, the last point, and 1 will be as it is, and this is my equivalent number, this binary number equivalent in hexadecimal. Okay, and this is the answer of your question. So AF7D416. Okay, understood?